Hi, I'm MJ Nodilo, here with your first quarter market and investment review. And it was another strong quarter in global equity markets, with US stocks up 5.7%, international developed up 6.8%, and the standout performer was emerging market stocks up 11.44%. We think it's important to highlight the non-US portion of this performance data, because at Pathlight we've always believed it's important to have a globally diversified portfolio. We know a lot of people out there have been underweight non-US stocks for a while now because the last decade they've dramatically underperformed US stocks. However, that relationship does not always hold, and it's impossible to know when it's going to turn. But perhaps more importantly is the lesson of not to focus on these simple analysis that come from the media. And that is the idea that with a change in the administration, one that was perceived to be more protectionist and nationalist, that would be a bad thing for non-US stocks. Well, in fact, as we can see, the opposite has happened, and it's been a detriment to people that did not invest outside the United States. In fact, taking one step further, Mexico was expected to be one of the countries that was impacted the most negatively, given their close proximity to the United States. And in looking at the data, Mexico's stock market performed 15.5% in the Q1 alone. So that really argues from sticking away from these very simple analyses that often come from the media, especially when we know that the complexity of global markets make it very difficult to predict what's going on. Looking forward, we're going to be closely watching data, as there's been some softening things such as the jobs report, auto sales, and durable goods. But at Pathlight, we've always believed that stocks follow earnings over time, and we have some very important earning reports coming out this week. In fact, on Thursday, we've got JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup, which should give us a good glean into the activity levels of the global economy. If you'd like to read our full written report, it can be found under the Research tab at pathlightinvestors.com. And as always, thank you for your time and support.